Welcome back to the Prohibition Kitchen, and if you're new, pull up a chair at the bar. We're going to start working our way through cocktail requests, so put your drink order in the comments below. Bonus points for crafty ones. Daniel Ty recently requested a bourbon sweet black tea. You might be seeing that soon, Daniel. Today I want to show you an original cocktail that I developed last year for the Mr. Black Coffee Cocktail Challenge. This is the Mr. Boston. I want to share this one with you to show that even with just mixing a few bottles at home and maybe an uncommon ingredient pairing, you can create something awesome. And when made right, this one is absolutely incredible. Stick around after we make it to get my breakdown of how this fantastic cocktail tastes. Some interesting flavors are brought out in this build. We're starting out with an egg white. When you mix with egg whites, be sure to only use fresh, organic eggs. And to that, we're adding half an ounce of fresh lime juice. The competition was put on by Mr. Black, so we're using that for the coffee element. 1.5 ounces of Mr. Black. I like vanilla in my coffee, and of the 43 aromatics in Liqueur 43, vanilla is by far the most predominant. Half an ounce of Liqueur 43. Rinse the jigger out with 1 ounce of Plantation 5-year, which is a favorite around here, and a Barbados rum. Lime is the uncommon pairing here, but really it shouldn't be. Lime shares 37 flavor molecules with coffee, 100 with vanilla, and 33 with rum. Speaking of the lime, make sure that it is completely juiced out. You're going to need it in a little bit. Add a large cube and shake it for a full 15 seconds. At this point, get your cup out of the freezer. It should be as cold as possible. Also take this time to prep your garnish. I call this a citrus fly. You'll see why later. Cut your peel into a parallelogram and cut a slot down the middle third and slot it onto the rim of the glass. It was for this cocktail that I developed the technique I demonstrated back in the Clover Club episode, wherein the spent citrus peel is added during the dry shake to act as a mass, beating up the meringue, forming latte-like microfoam, and leaving behind a lot of citrus oil. All of the flavors here are in a delicate balance. Along with the coffee and vanilla, you get chocolate and light baking spices from the rum, very light tang of the lime. On the nose, it's citrus and coffee and the foam itself has this fantastic light texture. I'm very proud of this one. It's fantastic. Cheers.